again, Emoji Gaming. This time I was Emoji Gaming, so Emoji mostly. So this time I try to unbox another keycaps from my favorite brand, which I got in the same price of my previous Dracula Castle colorway, which basically kind of similar like the previous colorway that they used to have. So it is called black pink colorway, but this one is black rose, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. So it is has a lot of keycaps, but I'm just not sure why, because most of the keycaps are seems to be the same. So it is mostly on the function or the modifier keycaps. So yeah, it has a total of 197 keycaps. They're not really counted in, but it's one of the cheapest colorway that you can bought for you. But if you talk about the second hand, well, it price differences. So beside, there's only one people, I guess, that sell it on the second hand, so I decided to buy it. Even though, because yeah, previously I'm also buying caps, similar pink caps, but with the white background, so not black like this. But the keycap is basically only for 98% or 800 layout, but so the keycaps are already used by the buyer that was bought the keycaps before, so I only get the remaining that he didn't use for their 60% mechanical keyboard. So I decided to use the remaining keycaps from the 1-800 from my 800, even though it is not really match. Yeah, it is quite different. It only has the same profile, which is the ASA profile. So that's a 6 minutes video. Make it as long as because I tried to reorganize apps since the previous owner didn't really make it for some reason, because I'm not sure, because I think they used to use it for 65%, but it seems to be messy as well. So yeah, it doesn't really sense in the video because I'm still using head camera thing of really into the desk, so I haven't been used the portable one yet. Besides, the portable one is actually located in my main desk, so it will not so much space like the one that I dedicated for unboxing and cooking. I haven't tried it yet as well. So, point of view is actually reverse. camera since it was a landscape, so you cannot see clearly what actually happened. It is used as portrait. I just finished it instead because it's pretty annoying. There's so many keycaps that I need to change the position in the case, so I just tried to check the remaining bonus keycaps, which is basically not really necessary because I think most of it is for unique layout that I didn't have, such as the ISO layout, which is pretty rare because previously the keycaps from the same brand never really included the ISO layout. Yeah, that's the layout. So yeah, that's all for this unboxing. So I tried to put it on the box again.